નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 25th pronouns personal possessive. Pronouns students, that term is familiar with you. You already studied about it in your lower classes about pronouns. What is the pronoun? First of all, we have to understand. Pronouns means what? Pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns. When we put pronouns, can you know that students? Pronoun is a word we put instead of noun. Noun की जगह पे जो हम word लगाते हैं उसे हम pronoun बोलते हैं. If you want to describe something in a long way, at that time we don't repeat noun and noun again and again. At that time we use pronoun instead of nouns. Nouns की जगह पे हम pronouns लगाते हैं. Every time we repeat noun, that is confusing for us. At that time we have to place, we have to put a pronoun instead of nouns. So now pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns. They are used to avoid repetition of nouns. They are used to avoid repetition, again and again repetition, to avoid repetition. At that time we have to put pronoun instead of noun. There are many different types of pronouns in our English grammar. As we learn in our lower classes in 6th standard and 5th standard, we also studied about pronouns. There are many types of pronouns are available in our English grammar. So in that lesson number 25, we have to study about two types of pronoun, personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Okay? So first of all, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be divided into subject pronoun and object pronoun. Personal pronoun have two subtypes. First one is the subject pronoun and second one is the object pronoun. Subject pronoun is everybody familiar with that. Subject pronoun, instead of subject we put that type of pronoun. It is known as subject pronoun. जो हम subject की जगह पे लगा सकते हैं उसे हम subject pronoun बोलते हैं. Subject pronoun have that type of different pronoun I write here. See, first person, second person and third person, everybody know about it. Singular and plural we already studied about in our tenses. So first person singular subject pronoun is I, then plural pronoun first person is we. Second person singular is you and second person plural is you. Third person singular he, she, it and third person plural is they. So it is all are connected with the subject pronoun. So we can put that type of pronoun in a place of subject. जब हम सब्जेक्ट पे कोई प्रोनाउन लगाते हैं तभी हमें ये सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन लगाने पड़ते हैं. I, he, you, he, she, it and that. Now about object pronouns. If we put pronouns instead of object, object की जगह पे जो हमें प्रोनाउन लगाने पड़ते हैं तो वहां पे हमें क्या लिखना होता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर में me, सेकंड पर्सन फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल में you, us, सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर you, second person plural you, third person singular instead of he, here we are putting subject object pronoun, so him, her and it we have to write, and as a plural we have to put them here. So keep in mind both differences, where if we put subject pronoun that we have to select from that, and if we are putting object pronoun that we have to select from that table. So both table you have to keep in mind while you are using pronouns. Understand student? Now second type of pronoun, possessive pronoun, we have to understand. It is all about personal pronouns. So personal pronoun have two subtype is that subject pronoun and object pronoun. Now we have to understand about possessive pronoun. Now student, we have to understand about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns table I write here. Possessive pronoun. Possession means what? First of all we have to understand that term. Possessive means it shows the position. It shows the possession or ownership of any person or anything. It shows the ownership. That types of pronouns are known as a possessive pronouns. Here I wrote a table. Here singular and plural column is that first person, second person, third person. Which type of personal or possessive pronoun we have to use? If first person singular is that, we have to use my or mine. Then plural, our and ours. Second person singular, your and yours. And second person plural, your and yours. It's remain the same. Third person singular, we have to put his, her and its. And third person plural, we have to put their and theirs. Understand, student? So it's a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. It shows the ownership. It shows the ownership, possession. It is used as a possessive pronoun. So here in that lesson number 25, we discussed about two pronouns, personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Personal pronouns have two subtypes, or two subtypes is the subject pronoun and object pronoun. And second type of pronoun is the possessive pronoun. In possessive pronoun, we discussed about singular, plural, first person, second person and third person. You have to keep in mind all the three tables given in your textbook. Okay? Just you have to prepare it very well. Based on that our teachings, now we have to do one little exercise. Now student, based on our learning about personal pronoun and possessive pronouns, we have to do one little exercise. Exercise A. Exercise A that is given here. Pick out the pronouns from the following sentences and state their type. First of all, in your textbook, some sentences is given. From that sentences, we have to pick out, we have to find out the pronouns, and we have to, after finding the pronouns, we have to state their as which type of pronoun is that. Personal pronoun is that, possessive pronoun is that. We have to identify that pronoun. Okay? So let's start our exercise. Open your grammar textbook, page number 82. Exercise A. We have to understand about it. I read the question sentences from the textbook and I write the answers here. As I written on the board, you have to complete in your grammar textbook with pencil. Okay? Understand, student? So keep attention here now. First sentence is given here. My birthday is on the 25th of March. My birthday is on the 25th of March. So here, which is pronoun? Can you identify from that sentence? Which is pronoun here? Yes, my. My is pronoun here. So first sentence. Sentence number first. My is pronoun here. But which type of pronoun we have to state that? So it is used as a here possessive pronoun. It is used as a possessive pronoun. So we have to write here possessive pronoun. It is possessive pronoun. So we have to write my. Same way you have to write in your grammar textbook as the answer. You have to write first my, then dash possessive pronoun. So answer over. It's simple. Now second sentence we have to see. Second sentence is given in your textbook. See. You have gambled away all your money on race horses. You have gambled away all your money on race horses. So here, can you identify which pronoun is used here? First, you is used. First one is that you. First word you. But you is which type of pronoun here? Can you identify? You have gambled. It is used as a subject. So we can say that personal pronoun as a subject. उससे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. इट इज यूज्ड एज ए पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. Pronoun in bracket we have to write here subject as a subject used हुआ है. So we can say that it's a subject pronoun, personal pronoun. And second one word is there your. Second word is there your. Your, which type of pronoun can you identify? Your means possessive pronoun. So what we have to write here? Possessive pronoun. Now, third sentence we have to see. So, in second sentence, two pronouns is used. One is your personal pronoun is a subject, and second one your is a possessive pronoun. Now, third sentence we have to discuss. Third sentence is given here. Is it my fault that I am too tender at heart? Is it my fault that I am too tender at heart? One interrogative sentence is there. Can you identify which pronouns are used here? Yes, first one is that my. My is used here. My is a possessive pronoun here. My is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. And the second one, I is used here as a pronoun. But which type of pronoun? It is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. It is used as a subject here. We can say that subject personal pronoun. So we have to write subject in bracket here. Can you understand? Two pronouns is there in third sentence. Now, fourth sentence we have to see. Sentence number 4. We will all die one day and face our Lord. We will all die one day and face our Lord. So here two pronouns is used. First one is that we. First one is that we. We, which type of pronoun is that? Yes, personal pronoun. We can say that it is a personal pronoun. Which type is that? Subject or object? Here it is used as a subject. It is used as a subject personal pronoun. Then second one is that our. Our is used as a possessive pronoun here. Possessive pronoun here. Understand, student? Now, sentence number 5 we have to see. Sentence number 5. The police arrested him without indicating the charges. The police arrested him without indicating the charges. So, which is the pronoun used here? Can you identify? Yes, here him. H-I-M. Him is used as a pronoun. But which type of pronoun? It is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. But here, can you identify which type? Subject or pronoun or object pronoun? Here, him is used. So we can say that it is the object pronoun. Object personal pronoun. Now, sentence number 6. Sentence number 6 we have to see. He spent his youth in clubs and his old age on the streets. He spent his youth in clubs and his old age on the streets. So here, which type of pronouns is used? Can you identify from sentence number 6? Yes, first of all, he is used here. He. We can say that he is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. It is used as a subject here. We can say that it is a subject personal pronoun. Second one is that his. Second pronoun is given here, his. His is used as a possessive pronoun here. Very easy things, students. Possessive pronouns. Already we studied about it in our lower classes. Now, sentence number 7. They belong to an undiscovered tribe in the Indies. They belong to an undiscovered tribe in the Indies. Here, they is a pronoun. They is a pronoun. But which type of pronoun is that? Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And it is used as a subject. We can say that it is a subject personal pronoun. Understand, student? Now sentence number 8 we have to understand. Sentence number 8 is given here. Nobody lied to them. They are just making up the whole story. Nobody lied to them. They are just making up the whole story. Here, them. first pronoun is that them. Them is used as a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And which type of is that? Objective or subject? It is object pronoun. Object pronoun. Now next, they is used here. Second pronoun they is used. They is also personal pronoun here. Personal pronoun, but it is used as a subject here. It is used as a subject. Can you understand student? So here our 8 sentences we completed. You have to write answers as I written on the board. जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे ही आपको कंप्लीट करना है all the answers. Okay? Now student, sentence number 9 we have to understand. Sentence number 9 is given in your textbook. 9th sentence. My body is drained of its strength. My body is drained of its strength. Here, which is which is a pronoun? Can you identify? Here, my. My is given here. First of all, my. My is used as a possessive pronoun here. Possessive pronoun. Then second one is that it's a. Second one is given here. It's a also used as a possessive pronoun. It is also used as a possessive pronoun. It shows the position. It shows the possession. My body. Here, my shows the body's ownership. My body. So body's ownership shown by my. So we can say that it is a possessive pronoun. Like same way, it is also given here. It's a strength. It's a ownership of strength. So we can say that it's a possessive pronoun. Understand student? Now 10th sentence. Sentence number 10 we have to see. Look at it, how it shines. Look at it, how it shines. Here, first it. Look at it. First it is given here as a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And it is used as an object here. It is used as an object personal pronoun. Second, it is also personal pronoun. How it shines. So here, it is a personal pronoun. Second, it is also personal pronoun. But it is used as a subject. It is used as a subject here. Now, sentence number 11 we have to see. Sentence number 11. There is a tour to Nigeria. Will you join it? There is a tour to Nigeria. Will you join it? Here, which is pronoun is that? First one is that will you. You is pronoun here. But which type of pronoun? It is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And it is used as a subject here. It is used as a subject here. Second one is that if. It is also pronoun. And which type of pronoun? It is also personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And it is used as a object here. It is used as a object here. Now, sentence number 12, we have to see. Sentence number 12. Talk to your neighbors and clarify with them about this issue. Talk to your neighbors and clarify with them about this issue. Here, your word is given. Your is a pronoun here. Which type of pronoun is that? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is given here, your. And second one is that them, T-H-E-M. Them is used as a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And it is used as a object here. It is used as a object here. Can you identify, student? Now here our 12 sentence we complete. All the answers you have to complete in your grammar textbook as I written. Now remaining exercise we have to do in our next video.
Thank you for joining us